Number 1. 1987 Ford F150, price $7,500, showing just 84,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a fresh blue repaint with a matching blue interior, the truck is rust-free and presents very well overall. The body is clean and straight, benefiting from the recent paint job, while the original interior remains in impressive condition for its age, showing some minor wear but still fully functional and well-maintained. Powered by the dependable 4.9-liter inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission, this F-150 is a two-wheel drive model that runs strong and is mechanically sound. It has been fully inspected and comes with a clean title, ready for its next owner. This truck is also equipped with a number of desirable factory features, including air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, power steering, and cruise control. A tow hitch is installed for added utility, making it a capable workhorse or weekend cruiser. Everything on the truck works as it should, and its solid condition, both cosmetically and mechanically, makes it a standout from the era. Number 2. 1981 Ford F100, price $7,000, powered by a freshly rebuilt inline-six engine, paired with an automatic transmission. With only 20,000 miles on the odometer, the engine and transmission have seen just 20 to 30 miles since their complete rebuild. Finished in a striking red exterior with a tan interior, this truck is in remarkable condition both inside and out, showing no signs of rust anywhere on the body. The interior is spotless. It features a new upholstered seat, fresh carpet, an aftermarket radio with 4 new speakers, and spotless interior trim. The air conditioning blows cold and the heat works great. Under the hood, nearly every component has been replaced. Additional upgrades include new rear shocks, a cherry bomb muffler, new chrome front bumper, and a roll pan rear bumper. Number 3. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,800. It features a dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, delivering solid performance for daily driving or weekend projects. With 159,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has proven its reliability over the years and still runs and drives well. The vehicle is a two-wheel drive model and comes finished in its original blue exterior color, complemented by a matching blue interior that maintains the classic look and feel of the early 90s. While the paint is showing its age, something common for trucks of this era, it still presents well and would benefit greatly from a fresh coat to restore its full visual appeal. This Chevrolet 1500 sits on a good-looking set of wheels and tires that give it a confident stance, and it also comes equipped with a practical bed cover, adding functionality for hauling or keeping cargo protected. Running on gasoline, this truck is a great example of a dependable, no-nonsense workhorse with character. Number 4. 1971 Ford F100, price $6,500, showing just 80,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean black interior, it is powered by a strong-running 360 FE V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The truck starts, runs, and drives, though it still requires some carburetor tuning to be fully roadworthy. Recent maintenance includes a new distributor and carburetor, a brand new exhaust system, and newer tires with nearly full tread, though one tire does lose air after sitting for an extended period. Despite its age, the truck is impressively solid with minimal rust, making it a great candidate for light restoration or regular cruising. While the engine does produce some noise, it sounds healthy and responsive overall. Fueling this classic is regular gasoline, and its overall mechanical condition makes it a promising project or weekend driver with just a bit more work. Number 5. 1986 Dodge D150, price $4,800. It has traveled 119,000 miles and comes equipped with a dependable slant-six engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in green with a brown interior, it runs well and lives up to the reputation of reliability that slant-six motors are known for. The truck rides on stylish American racing wheels, and the windows are lightly tinted for a more modern look. The body is free from rust, and both the floors and frame are in good condition. While the bed does show some rust spots, overall the structure is sound. Inside, a new stereo system with Alpine speakers has been installed for an upgraded audio experience. The power windows function but operate a bit slowly, and both the air conditioning and windshield wipers are currently non-operational. Number 6. 1997 GMC Sierra, price $8,500, powered by a 5.7L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 234,000 miles on the odometer, it features a 5.7 drop with a C-notch for a lowered look and improved handling, while the original paint, though showing some wear, has been buffed to bring back its shine. The roof has visible fading, and the body shows typical dents and dings consistent with its age. Inside, the gray interior needs some attention, particularly the headliner and the worn driver's door panel. However, the truck benefits from a transmission that was replaced by the previous owner in 2023, ensuring better drivability. It sits on new staggered 22-inch US mags wheels, adding a custom touch, and the exhaust has been upgraded with turn-downs for a more aggressive tone. Number 7. 1986 Chevrolet K20, price $7,000. It has covered approximately 97,000 miles. It's powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a tan exterior and a matching tan interior, with a rugged yet comfortable appeal. It comes with power everything, working air conditioning, and a 12,000 pounds winch with a wireless remote for added utility. A recent mechanical refresh includes a new battery, new exhaust system with headers and catalytic converters, and a new passenger side fuel tank. The windows have a 35% tint, which remains within legal limits. While it runs and drives great, the truck is nearly 40 years old and still needs some attention. The driver's side fuel tank has developed a leak, so fueling is currently limited to the passenger tank. Number 8. 1983 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. It has accumulated 150,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a 350/350 engine, running on gasoline. Its exterior is green, while the interior is black, and despite not being in perfect condition, the truck offers a great foundation for a restoration project or could be used as a reliable farm truck. The paint is the vehicle's most significant issue, with a rating of 3 out of 10, but the truck itself still runs, drives, and shifts smoothly. It starts and operates well, and it includes a bill of sale for the new owner. To bring it back to top shape, the truck requires a new kickdown cable, reinstallation of the front driveshaft, and a complete exhaust system. Number 9. 1973 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000. This truck is an all-original, unrestored classic with only 50,000 miles. Finished in its original red paint, it still looks sharp and runs and drives great. Powered by a 350 V8 engine and TH350 automatic transmission, it features an Edelbrock 4-barrel carb, performer intake, RV cam, MSD ignition, and long tube headers with true dual-glass pack exhaust. Cooling has been upgraded with an electric fan conversion and a new radiator. The truck also has a brand new high-torque starter and battery. Inside, it's in great shape for its age, with clean bucket seats and a tidy interior. A bed-mounted toolbox adds practicality. This C10 blends originality with smart performance upgrades, making it a dependable and eye-catching classic. Number 10. 1999 Mazda B4000, price $4,500. With approximately 110,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a gray interior, and runs on regular gasoline. The previous owner completed a series of important repairs in 2023, including replacing the front brakes, tie rods, EGR valve, head gasket, ignition actuator rod, and spark plugs. More recently, the truck has received several new upgrades and maintenance items, such as new headlights, a fresh set of tires, replacement cruise control switches, new rear brake cylinders, brake lines, and updated spark plug wiring. Routine maintenance has also been kept up with a recent oil change and a new engine air filter. A quick install tonneau cover is included with the truck, adding to its utility.